So all across YouTube, channels are growing thousands of subscribers overnight by nothing other than only YouTube Shorts. And considering the recent success of TikTok and how it's slowly creeping up to its social media rivals in terms of downloads, it's almost become pretty much a bit of a trendsetter in terms of the content which is now available on most other platforms. And now with YouTube Shorts becoming the fastest way to grow a small YouTube channel, I thought I'd try this out for myself. So over the next 24 hours, I'm going to take this channel, which is a shorts only channel that I started around 6 months ago. However, I've literally posted nothing on it, and try gain the most amount of subscribers as possible with just YouTube Shorts. Now, the reason I've chosen this channel is because one, I've already got content made prior to this challenge. For those of you who are new to my channel, this account is linked to my TikTok account. However, I don't get much attraction from it, but the reason I'm telling you this is because I'm using the content already posted on there and just simply transferring it over to this account. For me, this just makes logical sense because I've already got the content there available, and to not only just save time by not having to make new content, I want to try and make the most of the time available within this challenge. I just literally want to focus on posting as much as possible within the time frame. Now, there's one little tip that I used in order to get my content that I've already made, and a lot of the content that I previously made I'd deleted on my photos. And basically, if you want to get your content from either TikTok or Instagram to your phone without the watermarks, for Instagram I use the repost app. Simply all you've got to do for this is literally get the link for the content that you want, and after downloading the repost app, when you go to open it, it will literally be there on the app ready waiting for you. And at that point you can just choose whether or not to have the caption included or not, and then just download it to your phone. With TikTok, it's a little bit of a similar process. Again, if you go on the post that you want to download and then copy the link of it, literally just put into Google TikTok downloader, and usually the first tab that comes up, all you do is copy and paste the link into that. And I don't know quite well for Android, but for iPhone, you download it to your files, and then when you open the Files app, you can then download it to your photos that way. You can use these tools to be able to repost any content that you want, either from TikTok or Instagram. And this is what some people do by just reposting other people's content. However, in this case, I'm using purely my own content, but if you are thinking of making a theme page reposting other people's content, that's basically how you do it. Now, going into this challenge, there's one piece of evidence that gives me hope that this will be successful. It's because when I looked at the first ever upload 6 months ago, I noticed that that short had been recently gaining some traction, which going into this challenge stood at 5,000 views. And by noticing that that short had gained that many views already, it then gave me the belief in knowing that gaining views on your shorts is definitely achievable. But it's what I want to know is how many of these views can actually convert to subscribers, and especially within the time frame of just within 1 day. So currently it's been 1 hour and we've just posted one short at the moment. Currently it has 1 view, which is me, but I do have hope in it eventually blowing up. All I can do at the moment is be patient and wait. Okay, so now I've posted a couple more, and now our first post for the challenge is now over 600 views, and the rest of them are still just sitting at 1 view. So far pretty good, 600 views within the first 3 hours. Okay, now a couple more hours have passed, and the first one is now sitting at 1.5k views. Still, I've got another 4 other posts that have got 1 view. I guess we'll just keep posting and see if any more blow up. So we've just had a new post blow up. I literally just instantly posted this. It's a clip of Andrew Tate. I did think to myself, Andrew Tate is pretty popular at the moment, and on TikTok he gets me views, so I thought why not and probably try and use one of his clips. And instantly we've gained over 300 views. So at the moment there's no clear trend on how the algorithm works in terms of views, but yeah, everything else is still on 1 view. Time to keep posting, I guess. Okay, we've just had another post blow up. This new post out of Mr. Beast is now currently sitting at 3,000 views, and I posted this before the Andrew Tate post, which is now sitting at 1.1k views. So far for the day, our most viewed post is this Mr. Beast one with 3,000 views. Let's keep it going. So now 11 hours in, we've now had another post start to get views. The first post that we started off with is now sitting at 2,000 views. The Andrew Tate post is now sitting at 1.2k views, and the Mr. Beast is now at 3.5k views. But what I'm more interested in is this post that I did about The Rock that's slowly creeping up on 125 views. Now, I might be thinking, why am I interested in it? I don't know, I feel like this post is slowly creeping up in views, and I feel as if it might be a good contender for the top spot. So far so good. I've got another post ready to go, and yeah, let's keep going. But little did I know of the dilemma I was about to face. Something that could completely change the outcome of this challenge entirely. Okay, there is one slight big problem. It's something that's come to my attention when trying to complete another post. Not that I knew this existed, but we've reached the daily upload limit. So far we've uploaded 12 shorts, and according to Google, 12 YouTube shorts is the maximum uploads that we can do in a single day. So yeah, unfortunately, I can't now post for another 24 hours on this channel. And we're exactly halfway through this challenge, so we've still got 12 hours left to try and make more posts. But I guess all we can do at this point is just wait for the next 12 hours, and basically after 12 hours wait to see how many views our posts will get, and more importantly, see how many convert to subscribers.
A few moments later.
So after a full day of posting nothing but shorts on this channel, these were the results. So just for now, I'm going to keep the subscribers blurred, but I will reveal it at the end, just keep watching. So first off the back of that, our first ever upload, this Dan Penner video, after 24 hours finished off with 3.1k views. Then the post after that, which since overnight in the past 12 hours has gained a lot of views. Previously it was sitting at 1 or 2 views 12 hours ago, now it's sitting at 3.9k. Then this clip from Impulsive, it didn't have many views again, but it's picked up a couple of views and it's now on 700 views. Again with this next clip, again from Impulsive talking to Mr. Beast about Gary Vee, originally had 1 view, is now on 1.6k views. This next post is still yet to blow up, it's on 19 views and it's a clip of Elon Musk from Iron Man. The same with this next one, KSI giving out money to kids, is 12 views. Then this Kobe Bryant post is sitting on 700 views, again which was just on 1 view. Then as for the most viewed post on this page, being this Mr. Beast interview with 5.4k views. This Andrew Tate post finishing off with 1.6k views. The next post being about Elon Musk, it finished off with 22 views, but it might still blow up. Then this post about The Rock buying his parents a house, I think previously we said it was just on 100 views, and I said it'd probably blow up. Well, 12 hours later it's now sitting at 1k views, and its most recent post is just sitting on 6 views. So overall we posted 12 times, and from the looks of it we've had a decent amount of views. But what I want to look into is the YouTube Studio. So straight away looking at the analytics, it says here for the past 28 days, obviously being that we weren't active on this account whatsoever up until yesterday, the account's had 21.8k views, which obviously the percentages are going to be through the roof, saying that it's had over 3,000 more % than the past 28 days. It's saying that the real time for the past 48 hours our views went just over 19,000 views. So yeah, we got about 600 views from one of the posts that were already on there. Our top videos, like I said, was the Mr. Beast one with 5.4k. Then it was that post about Trump, which had 1 view only 12 hours ago, sitting at 3.9k views. We actually had a couple more around 3k views, but majority of them ranged from about 1k, and then we just had a couple that just didn't get any views whatsoever. As for the audience, the demographic was exactly what I thought it would be. Basically no one under the age of 18, basically 62% being 18 to 24, and then a smaller percentage for again up to the age of 44. Most of the shorts come obviously from the shorts feed, nearly 20% though was from YouTube search. It'd be quite interesting to see what clips that was, because with that it then shows that we were probably one of the top ranked for posts underneath that search. And in terms of interactions on the posts, we did get a fair amount of comments on a lot of them. So yeah, overall 20,000 views within 24 hours on this channel. However, what we want to know, how many people out of these 20,000 actually converted to subscribers? And so overall we gained a total amount of subscribers of, as of yesterday, we gained 23 subscribers, and for the past 28 days we've gained a total of 31. And so overall the channel is sitting at 39 subscribers with 16 uploads. Now I know what you're thinking.
Ben, this doesn't seem like a lot. You told us you're going to make this channel go viral. 39 subscribers isn't even 100.
Yes, alright. Yes, 39 subscribers isn't that much. But being realistic, I'm still pretty amazed by the results. Just to start with, as an easy comparison to my channel, the same channel that you're watching this video on, I've never gained as many as 24 subscribers in one day, let alone for an account that's been inactive for 6 months with practically no content on it, and at the time having 15 subscribers. Going through the post, there was a common trend that roughly 1,000 views equated to 1 to 2 subscribers, and then the posts with 3 to 5,000 views were getting us anywhere around 7 to 10 subscribers per post. One thing we can definitely take away from this challenge is that in fact, yes, you can use shorts to grow your YouTube channel. Personally, it's not the method that I'm choosing for this channel right now, purely because at this moment in time, if I was looking at a perspective and wanting to be monetized, from that point of view, my focus would be around watch hours. And as you may or may not know, YouTube Shorts don't contribute to your total watch hours or whatsoever. And for this channel, I feel as if my audience, well, you guys, it seems to be growing at a steady rate to my uploads. And obviously recently hitting 1k subs, I'm still over the moon with. You probably would have heard time and time again, but the main accelerator behind growing on YouTube is just consistency. With this Shorts channel, imagine if we were able to then post like this every single day now for however long. I reckon give it a week, if we could post that many times in one day and grow at that rate, we'll probably be able to hit 1,000 subscribers within that period of time. Going forward from this moment onwards, I feel like I might as well upload all of the clips that I've already made to this Shorts channel, and at that point I'll see what kind of following that we've got, because in an ideal world I'd love to have a second channel just making more posts around finance, and if I could somehow convert the following from the TikTok account to this Shorts page, and somehow convert this Shorts page into a channel that posts videos with longer form of content, or if so be it, make another channel with a longer form of content and basically promote it through this Shorts channel. But anyway guys, that's going to be it for this one. Let me know down in the comments if you've got a Shorts page, and feel free to share any information that you guys have around growing Shorts pages. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you a lot in the next one. In a bit.